Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Welcome to our fishing drawing tutorial. Today we shall learn how to create stunning fish artwork with simple steps. Begin by sketching the outline of your fish using gentle curved lines. Don't worry about perfection. Let your creativity flow. Next, add details to your fish such as fins, scales, and eyes. These small touches will make your drawing more realistic and captivating. Experiment with different shapes and sizes for your fish to give them unique personalities and characteristics. Use light shading to add depth and dimension to your fish. Start with lighter strokes and gradually build up the darkness for a realistic effect. Don't forget to add texture to your fish scales by lightly sketching lines or dots along its body. Take your time and enjoy the process of bringing your fish to life on paper. Art is all about expressing yourself. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Mistakes are just opportunities to learn and improve. Embrace them. Experiment with different colors to make your fish stand out. Consider adding other elements to your drawing such as coral reefs or sweet to create a dynamic underwater scene. Use reference images of real fish to inspire and guide your drawing. Nature is the best teacher. Practice drawing fish regularly to refine and guide your drawing. Remember to take breaks and relax while drawing. It's important to give your mind and hand a rest. As you continue to draw, challenge yourself to try new techniques and push your artistic boundaries. Don't compare your artwork to others. Thanks for watching this video.